It's no secret that discipline is crucial for achieving success in any aspect of life, whether it's fitness, finances, or relationships. But let me ask you this, do you find yourself struggling to stay motivated and disciplined? If so, don't worry. In this video, we will teach you how to build unstoppable discipline in just 30 days by implementing some practical tips and tricks. So let's dive in. Why discipline beats motivation? Discipline is more important than motivation because motivation is temporary while discipline is consistent. When you rely on motivation to get things done, you'll often find yourself starting new projects with a burst of energy, only to lose steam and quit halfway through. On the other hand, discipline is like a muscle that gets stronger with use. By practicing self-control and staying committed to your goals, even when you don't feel like it, you'll eventually reach a point where it becomes effortless. We all know that if we don't eat for a while, our hunger will fade away. And the same goes for doing things that we don't necessarily want to do. It might be challenging initially, but over time, it will become easier thanks to your strength and discipline. The 30-day rule: you can rewire your habits in just 30 days. There's a popular saying that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. However, recent studies have shown that it actually takes around 30 days to fully rewire your habits. According to a study conducted by Duke University, it takes about a month for a new behavior to become automatic. This means that if you can stick to your plan for 30 days, you'll be able to maintain that behavior long term. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that people who set short-term goals were more likely to achieve them than those who didn't set any deadlines. Therefore, by setting a 30-day deadline for yourself, you'll be more likely to follow through with your plan and build unstoppable discipline. Morning rituals: start each day with a small win. It's essential to start your day with a sense of purpose and accomplishment, no matter how small. This is why it is crucial to establish a morning ritual that sets the tone for the rest of the day. For example, you could start your day by making your bed, which has been shown to improve productivity and reduce procrastination. Or you could go for a morning jog, which can boost your energy levels and increase your focus. Even something as simple as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning can help you feel more hydrated and energized. By starting your day with a small win, you'll build momentum and be more likely to follow through with your larger goals. The 2-minute rule: when facing tasks you've been avoiding, start with just 2 minutes. One of the biggest obstacles to building discipline is procrastination. It's easy to put off tasks that seem overwhelming or boring, but that only makes them seem more daunting as time goes on. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. When faced with a task that you've been avoiding, commit to working on it for just 2 minutes. You may think that's not going to make a difference, but it can be a powerful motivator. Knowing that you only have to work on the task for a short period can help you overcome the initial resistance and get started. Once you've committed to the 2-minute rule, you may find that you're able to complete the task more quickly than you expected. Plus, by starting and finishing the task, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and be more likely to follow through with future tasks. Remember, building discipline is a process, and every small step counts. Accountability hacks: track your habits to stay accountable. To truly build unstoppable discipline, you need to hold yourself accountable for your actions. You can do this by implementing various accountability hacks such as journaling, habit tracking, or sharing your goals publicly. Journaling can help you reflect on your progress and identify areas where you can improve. Habit tracking can help you monitor your habits and stay on track towards your goals. Sharing your goals publicly can help you stay motivated and accountable to others. No matter which method you choose, the key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. By holding yourself accountable, you'll be able to stay focused and motivated and ultimately build the discipline you need to achieve your goals. Dealing with setbacks, don't wait until you feel like it again. Starting over after failing can be challenging, but it's crucial to learn from your setbacks and keep moving forward. Here are 3 ways to deal with setbacks and get back on track. Firstly, forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, so don't dwell on your failures. Acknowledge them, learn from them, and move on. Secondly, break down your goals into smaller steps. Instead of focusing on the big picture, take small steps that you can achieve daily. Thirdly, reward yourself for your efforts. When you complete a task or reach a milestone, no matter how small, celebrate your accomplishments to stay motivated. Remember, building discipline is a journey, not a destination. So don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Reward and reflect. Take the time to celebrate your achievements. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small, is essential to reinforce your discipline and stay motivated. When you achieve a goal, take the time to reward yourself with something you enjoy, such as a treat or an experience. This will help you associate positive feelings with your accomplishments and make you more likely to repeat that behavior. Additionally, reflecting on your progress can help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Take some time each week to review your journal, habit tracker, or progress on your goals. This will allow you to see how far you've come and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Remember, building discipline is a marathon, not a sprint. So be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. As we wrap up this video, remember that building unstoppable discipline doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals. Try implementing the tips we've shared, such as establishing a morning ritual, utilizing the 2-minute rule, and celebrating your accomplishments. Building discipline is a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep pushing your limits and achieving your dreams.